Hello, this is Danusa and I got a short Angeles video for you. We are in Crossing, which is that intersection right there. What is Crossing? Crossing comes from the old railroad crossing, which was torn out of here in 1970s. About where those, see those bushes? That's the other side of the street, and this is where the railroad kept going north towards Clark. But they're building a new railroad. See all this blue? That's the new construction for the railroad. Anyway, to look way down there. It's the very end there. Down there, somewhere, right about where I'm focused, is the old Angeles Railroad Station. They are busily at work. They say maybe about another 2 years or so, they'll actually have this all completed. I'm thinking more like 4 or 5, but really nice to see that they're actually getting stuff started here. There's still remains of the old railroad line. This is Danusa. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. We're at Crossing in the northern part of Angeles City, but below Clark at Crossing. One more sweeping view. All right, all done for another day. Bye-bye.